Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic battery. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is set. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and your new battery. Always work in a well-ventilated space to avoid any hazards. Now let's remove the old battery. First, locate your battery, usually found on the driver's side of the engine bay. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative cable first. Then, disconnect the positive cable. It's crucial to keep these cables from touching any metal. Finally, loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp or bracket. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Carefully lift out the old, heavy battery. Before placing the new one, clean the battery tray and cable connectors with a wire brush to remove any corrosion. Position the new battery securely in the tray and tighten its hold-down clamp. Remember to connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, ensuring a snug fit. You're almost done. Double-check that all your connections are tight and secure. Consider applying an anti-corrosion spray to the terminals. This helps prevent future buildup and extends battery life. Now, start your engine to confirm everything is working properly. Don't forget to take your old battery to an auto parts store for proper recycling. It's important for the environment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.